हेलो एंड वेलकम टू अनदर एपिसोड ऑफ मुंबई से मैनचेस्टर। आज हमारे साथ है पुणे से आशय राणे, who is going to help us predicting the starting 11, and Happy, who is going to talk about some tactics about the game against Brighton. So let's start with the starting lineup. Who do we think?
uh, Big change I think which is going to happen is Lindelof will be replaced by Bailly. Bailly और Maguire pair करेंगे. Shaw as expected left back पे खेलेगा. Wan-Bissaka actually midweek खेला, if I'm not wrong. Ashay, you or Neeraj, you, if you guys know. But I think it was
Against
mainly
Luton.
against
Luton
Luton.
अच्छा.
But I feel he'll still start this game. I think वो match fitness के लिए वो Luton वाला खेला. So I think back four में major change हो ही रहने वाला है. Bailly के जगह Bailly आएगा in place of Lindelof.
Yeah, Lindelof.
Midfield.
Lindelof, I don't think is a bad defender, but I think he's lost his place. Right?
No, but in the contrary, I actually think Lindelof is a bad defender. I'll tell you why. Because Lindelof का mentality ना defender जैसा नहीं है. अभी जो last Luton का तो छोड़, that is like a really bad team. But the one we lost against Crystal Palace, उसमें जब Townsend का जब first goal गया और उनके प्लेयर ने फ्लैंक पे फर्स्ट पास दिया और वो प्लेयर ने उसके बाद क्रॉस दिया ना, तो जो फ्लैंक पे जो प्लेयर उनका भाग रहा था, राइट, वो उसको लिंडलॉफ ने लिया था. एंड लिंडलॉफ शुड हैव स्लिड इन राइट देयर, बट ही डिडंट. क्यों? बिकॉज उसका मेंटालिटी डिफेंडर जैसा है ही नहीं. सी, आई वुड हैव it would have been okay if कोई attacker player रहता ना उसके जगह पे, and what Lindelof did उस time पे, वो अगर कोई attacking player करता तो ठीक है, but as a defender you need to know when to slide in and take the ball. That is what makes great defenders अलग from normal defenders. Wan-Bissaka क्यों इतना अच्छा खेलता है? क्योंकि वो sliding tackle मारता है. तो Lindelof is a bad defender.
He knows when to tackle, right? In this case वही हुआ कि जब वो इतना नजदीक था
that player has definitely lost him his place.
I hope so.
Yeah. So वही backline में वो major change रहेगा. Midfield में I personally would have expected Van de Beek to start, but Van de Beek played a good 78 minutes against Luton. Pogba didn't play any. There were no fitness issues with Pogba. I think because of that reason, Pogba will start. Matic would be the other player I feel will get this game. Like he'll start ahead of Fred and McTominay. I don't think McTominay was that great, frankly speaking, in the last game against Crystal Palace. And I think that's the reason Matic will come in. And he also did very well if we recollect the 3-0 Brighton game. So Pogba or Matic ka I would say, I won't exactly say a double pivot, but Matic pivoting and Pogba going ahead. Front four chooses it by itself, right? Rashford on the left, Bruno number 10, Greenwood on the right side. Greenwood भी ऐसे कुछ तो 5-10 मिनट के लिए आया था Luton, so he's going to be fresh. Marshall भी खेलेगा.
इसमें कोई ये ही नहीं है ना, मतलब there's no.
This is our best front four.
Correct. Best है और options ही नहीं है, तो there's no point talking about our attacking options because there are none.
Yes, and we decided not to talk about the transfer window in this video.
Yeah, so that was one key takeaway for us as fans and also as the club.
Yes, right.
For the players, right? Forget the transfer window. Forget Sancho आ रहा है नहीं आ रहा है पता नहीं. तो वही like I think to keep in mind going into this game, as say if you are Solskjaer or if you are the players, forget the transfer window. Second was player best 11, and at the moment, I guess all of three of us agree that ये best 11 रहेगा, removing Lindelof, replacing and Bailly.
Also, did Shaw play against Luton?
Shaw did not.
Williams played.
Williams played.
So मेरे हिसाब से उधर लेफ्ट बैक के पोजीशन पे विलियम्स खेलना चाहिए instead of Shaw, because was very slow to react to almost everything in our Crystal Palace wala game. So that is the only change I would make.
Right, but
Apart
to
from
fit, अभी
Lindelof.
मतलब, but if you think about freshness, right? Keeping that in mind, just as we said, right? Van de Beek नहीं
Correct.
खेलेगा. That's the reason we put Shaw in that place. So yeah,
Makes sense.
given उनका जो pace है right side पे, I think I'm a bit concerned about Shaw. Hopefully he does well tomorrow.
Solskjaer
But we'll
might,
come to that.
Solskjaer might
Yeah.
bench Shaw for making a defensive error as well. So that's also possible.
Yeah.
और उनका लैम्पटी पे बहुत अच्छा है ना, तो we have to make
Right.
sure our left back ही ना.
Right.
Yeah.
वो right, हाँ, अपना left back अच्छा रहना चाहिए.
Correct.
So we'll come to that portion a bit more in detail. But हाँ, player best 11 जो हम अभी बोल रहे हैं, we just discussed. Get an early goal. Obviously that always helps. Confidence के लिए अच्छा रहता है. The only thing I would hope कि एक early goal मारने के बाद they don't sit back. Our players have the tendency of वापस जाओ, chill मारो, and then equalizer मार दिया तो बाद में panic करो.
Correct.
Yeah.
धपाधप गोल मारने चाहिए, especially against teams like Brighton and all.
Exactly.
Just
And obviously
after the restart in the first 2 or
Right.
3 games, we would just finish the game off
Correct.
in the first half and then rest the players.
Right. And two more points were obviously focus on attacking output. तो हम फाइनल थर्ड में तो जाते बहुत बार है, बट वो तो अपना मतलब बहुत टाइम से भी गए 6 महीने साल भर से देख रहे कि फाइनल थर्ड में जाने के बाद वी डोंट रियली क्रिएट दोज ह्यूज चांस लाइक बिग चांसेस एंड फिनिश देम, राइट? क्लिनिकल होना इज क्रिटिकल, एंड ऑब्वियसली गेट आवर फ्रंट थ्री इन द गेम. सो Pogba and Bruno and Matic need to be on top of things, even Shaw and Wan-Bissaka, to make sure we press them deep, and also then we can find those incisive passes ताकि Martial, Rashford और Greenwood को कुछ दे हम at least score करने के लिए chance. So those were the 5 things I would say. Any thoughts?
Who was your man of the match and your predicted scoreline? So the ones which we are seeing on the screen are Saurabh's, who is not here because he's moving. But Happy, who is your man of the match for tomorrow?
I think I feel it will be either Bruno or Greenwood tomorrow, and I think the scoreline will be 3-1 in United's favor. What about you, Ashay?
अच्छा, I hope it is Bruno because chance creation बहुत expect कर रहा हूँ मैं, and I'm expecting more from Greenwood and Martial, and less from Rashford. So in all, मेरा man of the match prediction Bruno है.
Okay. और scoreline?
मेरा भी
Scoreline, I think 2-1 is a correct scoreline to expect.
Neeraj?
I think मेरा man of the match Martial है, और it's between Bruno or Martial, क्योंकि if Martial is going to score, I think Bruno is only going to create those goals. And scoreline probably 2-0.
Cool. ठीक है, चलो, let's move on to the next one.
Okay.
Okay, so on this, we also wanted to discuss how Brighton would line up, right? So we are calling this section as Know Our Opponent, or Your Opponent. One thing I wanted to highlight after a bit of research, कि हम Brighton को mainly 3-4-1-2 or 3-5-2 ये formation खेलना expect करेंगे. So 3 at the back, 2 attacking wing backs, with Lamptey actually being the more attacking one compared to Solly March. And अगर हम stats देखेंगे ना उनका, to which side do they lean on more? Right side is the area where most
because Lamptey is, I think, a Chelsea player, no? नहीं है क्या?
I don't know. You might know better.
Chelsea player on loan, right?
I thought so.
Is he? Okay. I didn't know. I thought he was a permanent signing or something. But I have seen some of his videos. वो बहुत dangerous.
Correct. और उसका crossing भी.
हाँ.
बोल.
नहीं, मैं बोल रहा था कि एफपीएल के हिसाब से 75% चांस ऑफ प्लेइंग है. ही हैज अ स्लाइट नॉक. So, but
अच्छा.
if he has that knock and he doesn't play, yeah, we might be a bit safer on the left side. But Lamptey खेलेगा तो उसका crossing बहुत अच्छा है. And I think
अच्छा.
वही बोल रहा था ना आशय अभी. You're just saying you're going to talk about his attacking
करेक्ट.
skills.
उसका क्रॉसिंग तो बहुत अच्छा है अगेंस्ट द ये क्या न्यूकासल के अगेंस्ट है. नहीं चेल्सी के अगेंस्ट उसने 2-3 अच्छे क्रॉस डाले थे. So that reminded me. Or also, you don't think Adam Lallana is going to play or what?
ललाना का फिटनेस प्रॉब्लम्स है. सो आई डोंट नो, क्योंकि देख उनका प्रॉब्लम क्या होगा. मतलब दे वांट टू प्ले 2 सॉलिड सेंट्रल मिडफील्डर्स. तो
Right.
ललाना is more of a 3-man midfielder, I would say.
Okay.
He might start, and if he does, I think it's good for us, because I don't think Lallana is a central midfielder. He's an attacking midfielder, so maybe he might start in place of Connolly, provided he's fit. उसका वो last time भी वही problem हुआ last game में.
अच्छा.
I don't think he played the whole 90 minutes. एक क्रिटिकल चीज जो ब्राइटन का मतलब जो हमें ध्यान में रखना पड़ेगा कि वो काफी अच्छा प्रेस करते हैं, एंड दे डिस्पोजेस यू प्रीटी क्विकली. दे ट्राई टू डू दैट, and we need to be really good on the ball. And the other thing is they like to take shots from outside the box. एक example अभी 2020 season में भी देखा जाए, you'll see Chelsea के against वाला बाहर से जो मारा था ट्रोसार्ड ने. They have done that pretty frequently even last season. So just sitting back when you have the lead would not help, because they like to take those shots. It'll put De Gea and obviously your centre backs under pressure. So you want to watch out for that. And obviously ये जो front three है, Connolly, Maupay और Trossard and Lamptey, those 4 at least are very intelligent. They have good movements inside the box. They find the channels. So obviously अपने जो भी अभी बाई और मक्वायर पैर कर रहे हैं, so they have to be aware उनके बीच में कौन स्ट्राइकर भाग रहा है, अटैकर भाग रहा है. They need to really mark that person very well, and obviously Shaw and Van Bissaka have to do their job well.
Correct.
But yeah,
and we should try and not give penalties away also, because
right.
their wingers are really fast, or we are well known to be clumsy inside the box. और अपना बाई तो है ही पक्का penalty देने वाला player है. So we should hope that we don't give away an early penalty or a penalty in the entire game.
Right. But yeah, obviously to score 2 goals or create enough chances, we just wanted to talk about how United should set themselves up in the final third. So firstly, we need to be efficient in attack. We got to be utilizing spaces and those channels between defenders very well. I've tried to take a few snippets of our game against Brighton in July. जो गेम हम लोग 3-0 जीते. On the top left side, you can actually see Rashford is on the ball, and if some of you recollect, he had to he dribbled really well. He actually kind of forced one of the defenders to fall. But at the end of the day, when he had to deliver that final product into the box, cross it or whatever, you can see that Marshall is here along with 3 other defenders who can probably knock him away. Right? Mason is in front of the post potentially, and behind him is just the defender. So the positioning seems to be a bit poor in this particular view. ये chance है कि मतलब ब्रूनो को बॉल आए and पॉग्बा को बॉल आए, but even if it comes to them, they have to take a shot directly on the goal, and none of these players could be utilized well. तो ये इतना बड़ा space दिख रहा है. Such kind of spaces need to be utilized. Intelligent moves उधर बनने चाहिए, is what I feel. The snippet to the right actually is the goal Bruno scored and Pogba had assisted that. And ये इसमें देख सकते हैं हम लोग, Pogba के पास इधर बॉल है, Bruno इधर है. if Pogba has to pass horizontally as well, because इधर थोड़ा crowd कम है, Matic
Correct.
could make that run, Rashford could make that run.
sorry, Rashford, yes.
Yeah,
Correct.
Martial is in
और
the box.
और वो गोल भी थोड़ा लकी गोल था, if I remember properly. वो ये डिफ्लेक्शन वाला गोल था ना?
नहीं,
राइट
उसको लग के गया।
हल्का डिफ्लेक्शन था,
नीरज दादा, हाँ हल्का डिफ्लेक्शन था, और उसका शॉट भी 100% कांटेक्ट नहीं था उस पे,
राइट।
पर
बट
अच्छा
इसमें
गोल था, इट्स ओके।
हाँ, इसमें देख सकते हैं कि चांसेस देख कितने हैं क्रिएट करने के।
राइट
वान
राइट
बिसाका को बॉल दे सकता था क्रॉस जाने के लिए, ये दो जगह पे है। शॉ भी मतलब could have moved in and then gone to the far post. अगर the ball came all the way through Rashford था इधर मारने के लिए, then इधर से भी बहुत सारे लोग ले सकते थे, unlike the one to the left.
राइट।
So that's a scenario we should be creating against a team like Brighton. Or clearly you can see, right, close to 10 players or 9 players are near the box or in the box defending करते समय, तो हमारे भी उतने ही ज्यादा numbers रहने चाहिए and in the right place. ये गोल तो आशय और नीरज तुम लोग को याद रहेगा, one of the best goals.
सबको याद है ये।
मतलब ये मुझे ऐसे for moment वो रोनाल्डो टेवेज वाला याद दिला दिया, बट ऑब्वियसली वो लेवल का कोई नहीं है उधर। बट या इसमें भी देख सकते हैं, मतलब इंस्टेंटली ये बॉल आया एंड एक्रोबैटिकली ऑब्वियसली मैटिस ट्राई टू गेट द बॉल इन द फ्रंट, राइट? वो नीचे वगैरह लिया नहीं, मतलब ही डिडंट ट्राई टू स्टेबलाइज द बॉल एंड देन पास इट, ही टुक दैट अपॉर्चुनिटी।
वेट परफेक्ट था पास का, फिर एंगल परफेक्ट था, एवरीथिंग वाज परफेक्ट. This goal was, too good to be true wala goal.
It would have been a great goal, and it would have been against any other team.
Right.
Blistering ways.
Right. इधर भी वही देख सकते हैं कि मेसन ऑलरेडी चैनल में जाने को रेडी है. Looks like Rashford this guy is still like yet to take off, and Rashford would have easily crossed him. And ये व्यू में जो दिख नहीं रहे हमें, मार्शल और ब्रूनो ऑलरेडी आ गए, और वान बिसाका रन लेने को भी रेडी है. तो so many attackers going ahead, obviously thanks to Matic का वो sexy pass, और eventually जो cross आया ब्रूनो को from Mason, that was great. So
उसका finish
phenomenal finish, right?
Yes.
This is so ये दो बहुत अच्छे chances थे. One more particular case actually later in the game, ये दिख सकता है कि इधर वान बिसाका के पास बॉल है, and then परेरा आ चुका था, मैकटोमिने आ चुका था substitute, ये दोनों. And then see their positioning here. मतलब जब तुम्हारे पास बॉल है तो I would expect McTominay or someone
to take a chance and gone into the box. Take that chance and go in there.
Right. वान बिसाका भी अगर एक क्रॉस देने वाला है तो except Martial, I think Williams is still far away.
Correct.
Here is Williams.
No target.
So,
और Martial also has to find his way across the defenders to make it to the ball.
हाँ, तो ये I think ये Webster वगैरह who is like 6'2", 6'3", whereas Martial obviously shorter. तो वो कैसे होता था I don't know. And Mason is here. I don't know if he was tired or something, but ये भी मतलब Mason जैसा player जाना चाहिए. I know he scored brilliant goals for us, but yeah, that's the next level that we expect.
Yep.
Right.
Let's hope they all play to their potential, and let's hope we do get our first 3 points of the season tomorrow.
Yes, so.
Seriously.
ये चाहिए रे, मतलब this is like we shouldn't be hoping for points against Brighton and Hove Albion.
I swear.
It should be a given. 3 points, Brighton, Hove Albion, 3 points. That's it. Done deal.
In first 30 minutes, not even 90 minutes.
Correct. और अभी fitness का भी बहाना नहीं चलेगा, because you've had 2 matches to get ready. 1 match to self reflect हो गया, self reflection वो Crystal Palace के बाद. अभी हो गया, सब कुछ हो गया, अभी चलो अच्छा खेलो, and don't give away stupid passes like Pogba and ये कौन अपना Bruno, इतना गलत passing किया उन्होंने Crystal Palace में. So these small things, if taken care of, we can easily win the game, easily.
So guys, going on to the last bit, what should be the watch outs जो हमने defend करते समय ध्यान में रखने चाहिए? For that sake, मैंने न्यूकासल वाला गेम और चेल्सी वाले गेम के उनके गोल्स के स्निपेट्स डाले हैं, एंड क्लियरली इसमें देख सकते हैं कि हाउ लैम्टी, ट्रॉसार्ड, कॉनोली Solly March, all these players like to find those channels and get into the box. And again, दिखता है कि ball मतलब they try to attack more from the right side. न्यूकासल के गेम में क्लियरली मतलब सब चांसेस राइट साइड से आए हैं. ये लैम्टी इधर जाके पेनल्टी ड्रॉ किया था, इधर ट्रॉसार्ड ने क्रॉस दिया था जिससे गोल स्कोर हो गया था. दिस वाज लाइक मोर ऑफ अ like they played the ball out from the back, and then eventually they still were able to open up space and get Connolly as a free either, and he was the one who eventually scored. चेल्सी के खिलाफ उन्होंने जो गोल स्कोर किया उसमें देख सकते हैं कि ट्रॉसार्ड इधर है, मेसन माउंट इधर है. He took a shot from long range and they scored the goal. One of the big reasons was Mason Mount dropped back. He didn't really press. So Trossard had that room. He also had the options. अगर press किया रहता Lamptey एक option था. He could have got sideways and probably drawn in one of their attackers or midfielders in here. So you can see कैसे खेल रहे. तो obviously ये जो 3-4 प्लेयर हाईलाइट किए जा रहे हैं, इन लोग को काफी अच्छे से मार्क करना पड़ेगा, and they will have to watch out how track their movements and intercept passes at the right time. So yeah.
All right, guys. Thank you. Thank you, Asha.
Yeah.
Thank you, Happy.
Yeah, I hope Asha you can join us again.
Yes.
And
I loved
yeah,
it.
so,
Cool.
और पब्लिक को भी obviously please do like, share and subscribe. कि like करोगे तभी वीडियो थोड़ा प्रमोट होगा.
Yes.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.